Miss Palayo is the loving and glamorous second grandma of the bride. Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin. Miss Maria Mercedes de la Cruz. Miss Maricel Cahante. Miss Elvira Anghanan. Miss Catalina Peralta. Miss Peralta is the most lasting friend of the bride's parents. Miss Amelia Reptilio. Miss Reptilio is a lovely sister-in-law of the mother's groom, of the groom's mom, I suppose, a businesswoman and a very supportive one. Mrs. Teresita Calaquian. Mrs. Calaquian is the first cousin of the groom's mom, businesswoman, and she's also the godmother of the groom when he took the sacrament of confirmation. Mr. Patrick De Dios. Mr. De Dios is a humble bachelor whom the bride much respected. Mr. Ferdinand Torre. Mr. Torre is unidentifiable of being a great superior of the bride and a good person. Mr. Virgilio Hoson. I think she's a representative, a very close family friend of the group. Ito Bear, as he is fondly called upon, is a businessman, Rock Bulacan. A pair, Mr. Sebastian Flores and Mrs. Susan Flores. A close friend of the bride's father, they consider them a member of the family. Mr. Russell Ramos and Mrs. Risa Ramos. Mr. and Mrs. Ramos also a close family friend of the bride's mother. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, Madam Anita Boor. Dispensa po, hindi ko masyado mabasa yung magandang description. My apologies. Once again, to our principal sponsors, let's give them a big round of applause. And now I would like to call on the ring bearer, the coin bearer, and the Bible bearer respectively. Little Misters Alexander Johan Malasaga, Alex Valdemar, and Gabriel Helen Malasaga. Alexander is the nephew through a cousin of Brazil, Alex, nephew through a second cousin of May, and Gabriel, nephew through a cousin of Brazil. And the flower girls, ladies and gentlemen, little princesses, Jana Marie, Makapinlak, and Cassandra Ruth Estrada. Jana Marie is the niece of the groom, and Cassandra Ruth is a nephew through a second cousin of the bride. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our candle sponsors, Mr. John Carlo Gonzalez and Miss Jacqueline Bagliano. John Carlo is a nephew through a cousin of the groom, and Jacqueline, a close cousin of the bride. Our bail sponsors, Mr. Jose Manuel Gonzalez and Miss Catherine Velasquez. Jose Manuel is the nephew through a cousin of the groom, and Catherine is the fiancé of the bride's youngest brother, Mark Anthony. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our court sponsors, Mr. Rafi Gonzalez and Mr. Nara Klein Bautista. Rafi is a close cousin of the groom, and the Nara Klein is one of May's closest friends. Our best man, and the maid of honor, or I would say the bridesmaid, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. J.B. Datan and Miss Micaela Antonia Aguila Becerra. Bagay po sila. He's the best friend of the groom and the brother to him. Micaela is the youngest sister of May. And now, ladies and gentlemen, sa
Micaela Antonia.
Kasunod na para sa aking tatawagin, pinakamalakas na palakpakan ang aking hinihiling. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the group, Mr. Silvino Estomago and Mrs. Bernardita Estomago.
Mika! Walang babas. Walang babas? Bakit?
And now, on the other side of the fence, ladies and gentlemen, we have the parents of the bride, Mr. Antonio De Sena and Mrs. Meden De Sena.
Dito ko yan! Tsaka dito ko yan!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, syempre, ito na po ang ating pinakahihintay.
Yung bride.
Kita nyo naman, biglang tumigil ang ulan. Magandang signals po yan. Mga kaibigan ha, sisimulan na po natin. At kung kayo papayag,
Baka si Mian sa taas magagaling.
after less than 2 hours na ating pagtitipon, isang masigaw po palakpakan po. May ilang hindi po nga palakpak, kung mga isang mga ilang.
Teka, di ako kapal. Oo po na, papalakpak ako.
Kasi kayo po tayo lahat. As we all welcome with cheers and glee, the new Mr. and Mrs. Estomago,
Saan ba magagaling?
Silver or Persil and May.
Asan ba?
Sabi nga ni Low Major, May, Silver, away! Palapakan po natin.
Asan? Baka sa taas? Wala. Sa taas?
Suspense po yan.
Nakatulog na. Ayun! Bisa ko yan! Kala ko tinulak eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is May.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
Picture,
I saw
picture.
your face.
Mas malakas ang palakpakan mo.
Deng, picturean mo, Deng!
I don't know.
Picturean mo! Picturean mo!
Yan po ang ating kasala.
Naka-video kasi ako.
Yes, she caught my eye as I walked by. She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I'll see her again. But we shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do. 'Cause I love you.
May nag-iihaw! May nag-iihaw!
You're
Tawag ko kanina sa kagaling. Sino kaya?
beautiful.